Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. If your Gmail account looks hacked, strange emails, password changed, or suspicious logins, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to secure and recover your Gmail step by step. So, without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, how to see which devices your account is connected to. For this, go to this website. Then click on the Security tab. Then scroll down a little and you will see an option called Find in Lost Device. When you go inside it, you can see which devices your account has been logged in with. However, if you want to see it in more details, click on the back button and press the Manage All Devices option. Here you can see which devices your account is signed up on, and if you don't recognize one, then click on it, and you can sign it out. This way, you can see and protect your account from someone else. But if you can't sign in, then go to this website g.co/recover. Here you can recover your Gmail and password. But if your password have changed, then click on Forgotten Email. Then enter the phone number with which you opened your Gmail account and click on Next. Then type your first name, last name, and click on Next. Here, press on Send Verification Code. Now, a code will come to your number. Enter the code here and click on Next. Now, select your desired account. In this way, even if your account is locked out, you can log in through Recover Access. After logging in, you first need to change your account password. For this, go to the My Account website again, then click on Security. Scroll down a little and you will get the password option. Click on Password. Here, type your new password and confirm New Password. The password must be 12 plus characters and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols in the password. Of course, the previous password cannot be used. In this way, you can initially secure your account. Then the next step is to enable two-step verification and set up Passkeys. If your account does not have two-step verification, then go back to the My Account website, then tab to Security. Here, click on Two-Step Verification, then enter your password and click Next. If you do not have a phone number added to your account, add your phone number. Then scroll down a little and you will see the Passkeys security option. Click on it, then click on Create a Passkey. Then enter your device password. This will save your account passkey. Then for extra security, click on Backup Codes. Press Get Backup Codes here. This will make your account more secure. That's it. Your Gmail should now be secured and recovered. If you want a more informative video like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.